who else will be in focus will be IndiGo, because they've had a very dismal quarter gone by. They've posted losses for the first time ever since listing. And not only that, but even on most counts, I mean, the margins have been massively compressed. EBITDA is also down, multifold in fact. Revenue, however, was up 17%. Let's listen into what the management had to say about the dip in the numbers in the quarter gone by.
Our profitability was significantly impacted by cost pressures from the increase in fuel prices and the depreciation of the Indian rupee, as well as from the competitive fare environment. The average aviation fuel price in India during the quarter was 40% higher than the same period last year. Fuel is about 40% of our costs. After adjusting for the increased volumes, this increase in fuel price resulted in higher fuel costs of 9.1 billion rupees compared to the same period last year. The Indian rupee also depreciated significantly during the quarter and closed at 72.58 rupees per US dollar. Based on this, we booked a foreign exchange loss of 3.4 billion rupees compared to a loss of 0.5 billion rupees during the same period last year. Excluding the impact of foreign exchange, our CASK excluding fuel went up by only 2.3% despite inflationary pressures. We have taken several steps to create efficiencies and improve productivity as we scale up. For example, we have adopted various initiatives to reduce the fuel burn on our planes by reducing weight and improving navigation and landing procedures. We have also improved the productivity of airport operations through better cross-utilization of resources. We have refined our maintenance schedule to improve aircraft utilization by carrying out activities during the night. Our balance sheet continues to remain strong. Our cash balance at the end of the period was 132 billion rupees, comprised of 44 billion rupees of free cash and 87 billion rupees of restricted cash. We purchased 3 ATRs using our free cash during the quarter. We had total debt of 26 billion rupees at the end of the quarter.